of this is to cut out this center portion to make the front mount more visible and get rid of some of the obstruction in front of it. So our goal is to be able to keep using these two pieces, and you'll see us pop those off later, by maintaining these 4 tabs. We're going to get rid of these two as we're going to cut both here and here, these two, these two, these two, and then the same on the other side. So we're going to get rid of this whole center cross piece here. So in order to pop these two pieces off just for the cutting, we need to depress these tabs far enough this way so that it unclips, and you'll feel it kind of start to pop off of there. And we can do it on the other side as well. Okay, so now we flip the bumper around to the front so you can see again where we're going to be cutting. We want to not cut into this piece here or this piece here, and we also don't want to scratch it. So I'm going to tape around where we're actually cutting to protect the bumper for when we cut. All right, so we are going to be using an air reciprocating saw to at least get us close. Achieving a flush cut right off the bat is very difficult, so rather than having the potential to mess up a flush cut, we're going to get as close as we can, and then we'll probably hand finish it with a file and some sandpaper. So I'm going to start over here and work my way this way, and we'll see how it goes. You do only get one shot at this, so it pays to take your time. So I flipped the bumper over. I thought it might be easier to go from the back. Whatever works best for you, obviously, but we're gonna try going from the back here to get a cleaner cut. All right, so now that we've cut the center out, you can kind of see what I was talking about with the flush cut. So these smaller ones are a little easier to get closer to the bottom, closer to a flush cut than the middle ones. So we still have some material left on this middle one here that we will need to hand file and sand so that it's flat and looks good. So the last thing we're going to do is trim this edge off of this insert piece. Since we're no longer utilizing these two clip locations, when we cut this off, it'll give it a cleaner look. And then we will just file these little lips off and throw them back in the bumper. So now that we've cut it out, now all that's left to do is pop these pieces back in. Just like that. Just like that.